Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. Today topic is GPS, Global Positioning System. Originally Navstar GPS, satellite-based radio navigation system owned by Interstate of Government and operated by Interstate of Space Force. One of the global navigation satellite system GNSS that provide geolocation and time information to GPS receiver anywhere on Earth or near the Earth where there is an obstruct line sight to 4 or more GPS satellite. Does not require user to transmit any data and operate independently any telephonic or internet reception, though the technology can enhance the usefulness. GPS positioning information provide critical positioning capability, military, civil and commercial users around the world. Interstate government created, control and maintain GPS system freely accessible to anyone the GPS receiver. GPS country IES of origin, interstate operator US Space Force, type military civilian, status operational, coverage global, accuracy 30 to 500 cm, 0.98 to 16 ft, constellation size, nominal satellite 24, current usable satellite 38 of 32 operational, first launch February 22, 1978, 45 years ago, total launches 75, orbital characteristic regime 6 MEO plans and orbital height 1180 km, 12,540 mi, orbital period half of STR 11 hours and 58 minutes, revisited period 1, sidereal day, other real cost $12 billion, initial constellation $1.84 billion per year 2023, operating cost, website gps.government, overview. GPS project was started by US Department of Defense in 1973, first prototype spacecraft was launched 1978 and full constellation 24 satellite become the operational 1993, original limit used by interstate military civilian use was allowed from the 1984. Executive order for President Ronald Reagan after the Korean airline flight 007 disaster. Advance in technology, new demands on existing system have now led to effort of modern GPS and implement next generation GPS block third year satellite and next generation operation control system OCX, which was authorized by US Congress in 2000. From early 1990s, GPS positional accuracy was degraded by the interstate government program called selective availability, which would selectively degrade a deny access to system at any time. As happened to the Indian military in 1990 during the Kargil war, as result several countries including Russia, China, India, Japan and European Union have developed or any other process setting up other global and regional satellite navigation system. Selective availability was discovered by May 1, 2000 accordance with the bill signed into law of President Bill Clinton. When selective availability was lifted 2000, GPS had about 5 meters 16 feet accuracy. GPS receivers had a L5 band have much high accuracy, pinpointing it within 30 cm 12 in and high-end user typically engineering and land surveying application are able to have accuracy on several bandwidth and signal within 2 cm, even sub-millimeter accuracy, long-term measurement. Consumer device like smartphone can use accurate as within 4.9 m and better with the assistive service like Wi-Fi. Positioning also enabled as July 2023, 18 GPS satellite broadcasting L5 signal and signal are considered pre-operational scheduled to reach 24 satellite by approximately. History: GPS project was launched in Interstate 1973 to overcome limitation previous navigation system combining ideas from several predecessors of including class way engineering design study from 1960. US Department Defense developed by its system originally used 24 satellite for used by interstate military and become fully operational in 1995. Civilian use was allowed from 1980s. Roger Easton Naval Research Laboratory, Ivania Getting Aerospace Corporation, lab for Brackington of Applied Physics Laboratory, credited with inverting the work. Gladys West Creation Mathematical, Geodetic, Earth of the model created instrument developed by computer technique detecting satellite position precision needed for GPS. Design GPS based nearly partly of similar ground based radio navigation system such as LOR. Navigator developed by in early 1940s. In 1955, Friedwald Winterberg proposed test of general relativity detecting a time-slowing strong gravitational field using accurate atomic clock placed on RB inside artificial satellite. Special and general relativity predicted by clock GPS satellite as observed by those on Earth and run 38 microseconds faster per day. Those on the Earth second invent and design GPS correct the difference, because without doing so and CPS calculated position would be accumulated error up to 10 km per day 6 MID. And process when the Soviet Union launched first artificial satellite Sputnik 1 in 1957, two American physicists William Geyer and George Weiffenberg at Johns Hopkins University of Applied Physics Laboratory APL decided to monitor radio transmission with hover up. They realized that because Doppler effect they could pinpoint the satellite with the elongated orbit. Director of APL have the access to the UNIVAC to heavy calculation record. Early next year, Frank McCuller, Deputy Director of APL, asked Geyer and Weiffenberg investigate inverse problem pinpointing user location give satellite. At the time of Navy was developing submarine launched Polaris missile, which is required them to know submarine location. This led them to APL to develop transit system under the 1959 ARPA renamed DARPA 1972. Also played the Lorin Transist. Transist was first successfully listed in 1960. Used Constellation 5 satellite and could provide navigation fix approximately once per hour. In 1967, US Navy developed Immersion satellite which provide feasibly placing accurate clock in space and technology rocket GPS. 1970 ground-based Omega navigation system based on phase comparison signal transmission from pairs of station. Because first worldwide radio navigation system limitation, this system drove the need to more universal navigation solution to great accuracy. Although there are very wide need to accurate navigation military civilian sector, almost none of these one jurisdiction of $1 billion. It would be cost to reach development, deployment and operation constellation navigation satellite during Cold War arms of race and the nuclear threat existence of interstate was the one need to did justify this cost view the interstate Congress. Deterrent effect of why GPS was funded. It is also reason to ultra secrecy of the time nuclear trial and consist of interstate Navy submarine launch ballistic missile SLBM and along with interstate Air Force ESAF strategic bomber and intercontinental ballistic missile ICBM considered vital and nuclear deterrence of posture and accurate determination of SLBM launch position was force multiplier. Precise navigation would be unable to interstate ballistic missile submarine to get an accurate fix to their position before they launched their SLBM. USAF-2 third nuclear trial also had requirements for more accurate reliable navigation system. US Navy, US Air Force and were developing their own technology in parallel to solve the was essentially the same problem. To increase serviceability ICBM there are proposal used to mobile launch platform comparable Soviet SS-24, SS-25 and also need to fix launch position had been similarly SLBM situation. 1960 Air Force proposed a radio navigation system called MOS-AIC, Mobile System Accurate ICBM Control. It was essentially third LORAN follow-on study project 57 was confirmed and performed 1960. It was study of GPS concept was born. Same year concept was pursued project 62-1B which had many of attributes they have new GPS and promise increasing accuracy of Air Force bomber as well as ICBM. Update from Navy transit system were to slow and high speed of Air Force operation. Naval Research Laboratory NRL continued ranking, making the advance of their time navigation satellite first launch in 1967, second launch in 1969 with the third in 1974, carrying the first automatic clock into orbit of fourth launch in 1977. Another important predecessor of GPS came to different branches of interstate military. In 1964, interstate any orbital first sequential collision of range SECOR satellite used geodetic surveying SECOR system including 3 ground-based transmitter known as location. It would be send the signal to the satellite transmitter orbit. Fourth ground-based station undetermined position and could be then use the signal and fix location precisely. Last SECOR satellite was launched in 1969. Development with the parallel development of 1960s, it was released superior system could be developed synthesis based on technologies and 621B and transit estimation and SECOR multi-service program. Satellite orbital position error induced variation gravity field, radar refraction among others and had to resolve. A team led by Harold L. Jury Pan AM Aerospace Division in Florida from 1970 to 1973. Used to real-time data assimilation of recursive estimation to do reducing systematic residual error to manageable level to permit accurate navigation. During Labor Day weekend 1973 meeting about the 12 military officers at the Pentagon discussed the creation, definition and defense navigation satellite system DNSS. It was to meeting of real synthesis that become GPS was created. Later that year DNSS program was named Navstar. Navstar is often erroneously considered a navigation system using timing and ranging but was never considered, such as GPS Joint Program Officer TRW may have once advocated different navigation system that used the individual satellite being associated with the name of Navstar. As with the procedure of transit stimulation, more than fully encompassing name was used to identify constellation of Navstar and satellite Navstar GPS Block 1 prototype satellite were launched between 1978 and 1985. Additionally, it was destroyed launch failure. Effect of ionosphere radio transmission was investigated. Geophysics Laboratory, Air Force Cambridge Research and Laboratory, renamed Air Force Geophysical Research Lab AFGRL in 1975 and AGGRL developed by Globe model for computing ionospheric erection GPS location. Work done by Australian space scientist Elizabeth Essex Conant AFGRL 1974. She was concerned with the curving path of the radio waves, atomic refraction, traversing of ionosphere from Navstar. After Korean Airlines flight 007 Boeing 747 carrying 269 people was shot down by Soviet interceptor after aircraft staying prohibited airspace because navigational error of vicinity. Sakhalin and Monoran Island of President Ronald Reagan issued directive making GPS freely available. Civilian use once it was sufficiently developed by common good. First Block 2 satellite was launched February 14, 1989 and thus 24 satellite was launched in 1994. GPS program cost at this point not including cost of user equipment but including the cost of satellite launch has been estimated $5 billion equivalent of $10 billion 2022. Initially highest quality signed was reserved by military use. Signal available for civilian was intentionally degraded in policy known as selective availability. This changed May 1, 2000 with President Bill Clinton signing policy directive to turn off selective availability to provide same accuracy civilian that was about the military. Directive was proposed to US Secretary of Defense William Perry view of the widespread growth and differential GPS service provided by industry improve the civilian accuracy. Moreover, US military was developing technology to deny GPS service potential adversaries regional basis. Selective availability was removed from the GPS architecture beginning with GPS 3. Since deployment, US have been implemented several improvements of GPS serving, including new signal, civil use and increased accuracy and integrity for all users, all the while with maintaining capability with the existing GPS equipment. Modernization of satellite system has been ongoing initiative. US Department of Defense through series satellite acquisition to meet the growing need to military, civilian and the commercial market. As early 2015, high quality standard positioning service SPS GPS receiver provide horizontal accuracy better than 3.5 meter 11 feet and although many factors such as receiver and antenna quality and atmospheric issues can affect this accuracy. GPS owned and operated by United States government, National Resource and Department of Defense toward GPS integration. GPS Executive Board IGBB oversaw the GPS policy matter from 1996 to 2004. After the National Space Based Positioning, Navigation and Teaming Executive Committee was established, President Director of 2004 to advise, coordinate federal department and agencies of matter concerning GPS related system. Executive Committee chaired by jointly Deputy Secretary of Defense and Transportation. Membership including equivalent level of officials from Department State, Commerce and Homeland Security, Joint Chief Staff and NASA. Component Executive Officer President participate, observe to the Executive Committee and FCC Chairman participate in the liaison. US Department Defense required by law maintaining standard position service, defined federal radio navigation plan and standard position service and signal specification will be available on the continuous worldwide basis and develop measure to prevent hostile use the GPS and augmentation with duly unduly disrupting or degrading civilian use. Timeline of modernization. This section list format by may read better Block launch period, satellite launch, currently in orbital, healthy, success, failure in preparation, plan 1, 1978, 1985, 10, 1, 0, 0, 2, 1989, 1990, 9, 0, 0, 0, second A, 1992, 1997, 19, 0, 0, 0, IIR, 1997, 2004, 12, 1, 0, 0, 7, second R2M 2005 to 2009 80007, second F 2010 to 16 120012, third A 2018 to 600406, third F 20002200, total 76 2 4 22 and 32. Block IAMR in unhealth. 1972 ESFA Central Inertial Guidance Test Facility Holloman AFE connected by Development Flight Test 4 prototype GPS receiver wide configuration over white sand and missile range using ground-based pseudo satellite. 1978 first experiment Block 1 GPS satellite was launched. 1983 after Soviet interceptor aircraft shot down civilian airline KL-007 stayed into prohibited airspace because navigation error, killing on 216 people on board. US President Ronald Reagan announced that GPS would be made available civilian use once it was completed, although have been publicly known as 1979. CA code, course and acquisition code would be available civilian user by 1985. More experimental of Block 1 satellite had been launched, validated the concept. Beginning in 1988, command and control of these satellite was moved from Nisga AFS, California 2nd Satellite Control Squadron to SCS located Falcon Air Force Standard, Colorado Springs, Colorado. On February 14, 1969, first modern Block 2 satellite was launched. Gulf War from 1990 to 1991 was first conflict which is military widely used GPS. In 1991, project to create miniature GPS receiver successfully ended and replacing previous 16 kg 35 IB military receiver with the 1.25 kg 2.8 IB handheld receiver. 1991 Tom Touch SAT nav manufacturer was founded. 1992 second space wing, which originally managed system, was inactivated and is replaced by 50th space wing. December 1993 GPS achieved initial operation capability. IOC full constellation of 24 satellites available and providing standard positioning service. SPS fully operation capability. FOC declared by Air Force Space Command AFSPB April 1995, signifying full availability of military secure precise positioning service. PPS 1996 recognizing important GPS to civilian user to all well military user. US President Bill Clinton issued a policy of directive declaring GPS dual use system and establishing integrity of GPS executive board to manage national asset of 1998. United States Vice President A.L. Gore announced plan to upgrade GPS with the 2 new civilian signal, enhanced user of accuracy and reliability, particularly with respect to aviation safety of 2000. United States Congress authorized the effort of referring to GPS 3 on May 2000. Selective ability was discontinued result of 1996 executive order allowing civilian user to receive non-degraded signal globally. In 2004, United States government signed agreement with the European Committee establishing cooperation related to GPS and the Europe Galileo system. 2004, United States President George W. Bush updated national policy and replaced executive board with the National Executive Committee space-based positioning, navigation and timing. November 2004, Qualcomm announced successful test access to GPS mobile phone. In 2005, first modern GPS satellite was launched and began transmitting second civilian signal L2C enhanced user performance. On September 14, 2007, IG mainframe based on ground segment control system were transferred. New architecture evaluation plan on May 19, 2009. United States government accessibility offer issued by report warning some GPS satellite could fail on as soon as 2000. Segment US composed hundreds and thousands of US and allied military services, secure GPS precise positioning service and 10 million of civil, commercial and scientific user. Standard positioning service general of GPS receiver are composed for antenna toned at the frequency transmitted by satellite. Receiver processor and highly stable clock, often crystal oscillator. They may also include display for providing location and speed information to the user. GPS receiver may include input for the differential correction using RTCM SC104 format. This is typical in the form of RS-232 of 4800 bit speed. Data is actually sent to much lower rate of which is limit accuracy signals and using RTCM. Receiver with the internal DGPS receiver can perform those using external RTCM data. Low cost in is commonly include wide area augmentation system WAS receiver. Many GPS receiver can relay positioning data to PC or other device using NMEA 0183 protocol, although protocol is officially defined by National Marine Electronic Association NMEA. Reference to this protocol have been compiled from public record allowing open source tool like GPST and read the protocol without violation in intellectual property law. Other property of protocol exists as well as such as SIRF and MTK protocols. Receiver can interface with the other device using method including serial connection, USB or Bluetooth. Application: while originally military project, GPS is considered dual use technology, meaning it have significant civilian application as well as GPS have become widely deployed and useful tool for commerce, scientific use and tracking and surveillance. GPS accurate time in the facility every day. Activities such as banking, mobile phone operation and even though control power grid by allowing well synchronized by handoff switching. Civilian: many civilian applications use one or more of GPS 3 basis components. Absolute location, relative movement and time transfer. Amateur radio clock synchronization of required several digital modes such as FT8, FT4 and JS8 also used. APRS position reporting often critical during emergency and disaster communication support. Atmosphere: studying troposphere, delay recovery of water vapor content, and ionosphere, delay recovery of number of free electron, recovery earth surface displacement due to atmospheric pressure loading. Astronomy: both position and clock synchronization data used to astrometry and celestial mechanics and precise orbit determination. GPS is also used to both amateur astronomy with a small telescope as well as professional observatory of finding extrasolar planets. Automated vehicle: applying use GPS extensively. Cellular telephony: clock synchronization enable time transfer which is critical for synchronization, speeding and codes with the other base station to facilitate intercell handoff and support hybrid GPS cellular position, detection of mobile emergency call and other application. First handset with integrated GPS launched by late 1990s. US Federal Communication Commission FCC mandated feature in either handset tower for use in triangulation 2022 as so emergency service of 2002. Good located 911 caller. Third party software developer later gained access to GPS ABS from Nextel Upton launcher followed by Sprint in 2006. Verizon soon clock synchronization accuracy GPS time signal plus or minus 10 ns second only in the atomic clock. They are based on used the applications such as GPS discipline oscillator. Disaster relief emergency service: many emergency service depend upon GPS for location and timing capability. GPS equipped with radio sons and drop-ons. Measure and calculate atmospheric pressure, wind speed of direction up to 27 km, 89,000 feet and from earth surface. Radio occultation, weather, atmospheric science application. Fleet tracking used to identify, locate and maintain contact reported one or more fleet vehicle real-time. Geodesy: determination of earth orientation parameter including daily and sub-daily polar motion, length of the day, variability of sun, earth center of mass, geocenter motion and low degrade gravity of field parameter. Geofencing: vehicle tracking system, person tracking system and pet tracking system use GPS to locate devices that are attached to carried by person, vehicle or pet. The application can provide continuous tracking and send a notification target leaves a designated fenced in area. Geotagging: application location coordinate to digital objects such as photograph, exist data, other document for purpose of creating map and overlay with the device like INI, KON, GP1. GPS aircraft tracking: GPS for mining use RTK. GPS has significantly improved several mining operations such as drilling, traveling, vehicle tracking and surveying. RTK GPS provided centimeter level position accuracy. GPS data mining possible and aggregate of GPS data from multiple users to understand movement patterns, common trajectories and intersecting location. GPS tour: location determine what content to display, for instance and information about an approaching point. Interest mental health: tracking mental health of function and social navigation. Navigator value digitally and prices velocity and orientation measurement as well as precise position of real time with the support of orbit and clock correction. Orbit determination. Low orbiting satellite with GPS receiver installed on board such as GOCE, GRAC, JASON-1, JASON-2, TE, RRA, SAR-X and TAN, DEM-X, CHAMP, Sentinel and 3 and some guts. CubeSat, Cube ETH. Phaser measurement. GPS enable highly accurate time stamping, power station and power system measurement making possible to compute phase. Recreation for example, geocoaching, geodesing, GPS drawing, way making and way marking, other kinds of location based